Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Jay, the Motor Marauder, back again with another video. Today's video we are going to be talking about reasons why the Audi A4 B8 is a good first car. Starting off with reason number one that this would be a good first car is that for the budget of $4,000 to $8,000 you can get a decent, a great, or a decent, or a good condition Audi A4 B8 with decent mileage and maintenance the history for $4,000 to $8,000, which these days is pretty good bang for your buck for a car. These cars have a nice interior that's not too dated, not too modern, nice seats, nice interior, really comfy. Full entertainment system. If you get one with navigation, that's good too. Comes in auto and manual, I believe, but this one's auto. Large aftermarket support for the car, as this car has been out in many different models for many different generations and years. It's been out for a very long time, meaning that it's easy to do upgrades and modifications to enhance the car and personalize it to however you want. The cars also come with the all-wheel drive quattro version, which is the all-wheel drive feature of these cars, which enhances the traction and the stability of the car, and making it especially good for troublesome weather like snowstorms and all those types of bad weather driving, which makes it a safe choice for new drivers on the road. Now, if we're talking about performance wise, the A4 offers a good balance of power and efficiency, which provides a fun driving experience without being overly aggressive for a new driver. It's turbocharged and makes a good amount of power, not too much for a new driver to handle and not too little that they can't get out of a sticky situation. And to be honest, particularly the Audi A4 B8, the B8 version, it has a timeless design. It doesn't look too dated, it doesn't look too old, and it looks a little bit like the newer ones if you just do a bit of modifications to the front, add on a different grille, a new spoiler. If you add some modifications, this car doesn't look too dated. It looks like a newer car that's on the road, and it just has a timeless design. You could use this car for a long time and it would still look like a decent car that's on the road. Compared to the E46, for example, this car is dated, very dated. But honestly, it's a great car, guys. So if you guys are interested in getting one of these are a few reasons why you might consider getting this car. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you all in the next video. See ya.